ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to organize monthly payroll information in a bookstore in Excel. In this exercise, you will also learn how to use the choose function and other easy functions like subtraction and multiplication. As you can see in the worksheet, the data shown is the rate. Now we're going to add the information in the employee, monthly gross pay, and dependent column, which are these three. Now I have added all the information necessary. Now we're going to make a chart that would make it easier to calculate. This chart shows how much of tax deduction are needed for those dependents. Now we're going to find the amount of taxes for each employee. To do so, we first need to make a new label called taxes. So in column D, we're going to type in taxes. To calculate the taxes, we have to use the choose formula. To do so, first we have to add an equal sign, as it is one of the most important things to do, as without it the function would not be calculated. In all caps, type in choose with a bracket. Then you select the index number, which is 2, or the cell C6. Then you add a comma. Then you type in the value of percentages from this chart. So since the first dependent is 18, you type in 18%, then 16%, and last 14%. Now you close the bracket. You type all of these three percentages because it shows the percentage the monthly pay would be multiplied with. In here, this dependent is 2, so it multiplies with the second percentage, as it is in the second place. But now you need to multiply it with the monthly gross pay. So you type in the multiplication symbol, and you click the monthly gross pay and click enter. Now you got your taxes, the employee buried. Now instead of repeating the formula again and again for the other employees, you just select the function you did earlier and drag it down. And now you got your taxes for all the employees. Now we have to find the Social Security for each employee. To do so, we have to add a new label saying soc.sec. To find the Social Security, you have to multiply the Social Security to the monthly gross pay. So first you click on equal sign, click on B6 or the monthly gross pay, and multiply it with the SOC-SEC rate. You have to make the SOC-SEC rate a cell reference, so when you pull the equation down, it doesn't move and always stays in the same cell. To make it a cell reference, you have to click on F4, which you could see a $sign. Then you click enter. Then you drag it down. Now you got the Social Security for each employee. Now we have to find the net pay for each employee. To do so, we first have to add a new label saying net pay. Since you don't need this chart anymore, as you already did the choose function, I'm just going to delete it. To find the net pay, you have to subtract the taxes and the Social Security rate from the monthly paid gross. First, you add an equal sign, then select the monthly gross pay, subtract it by the taxes, and subtract it by the Social Security. Click enter, and now you got the net pay for your employee. To get the net pay for the other employees, instead of doing the formula again and again, just drag the formula you did down. And now now you got the net pay for each employee. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Stay tuned for more.